Oh, testing, 1, 2. Okay, I think we're ready. We're looking good. Let's go. If you've been following me for some time now, you should already know that I absolutely love selling digital products. I don't care if it's my own products. I don't care if it's somebody else's products. I absolutely love selling digital products. And I've been doing so online since 2008. So that should tell you something. Selling digital products is one of the most profitable ways to make money online that I found. Whether you're an entrepreneur, network marketer, affiliate marketer, content creator, influencer, whatever you want to call yourself, selling digital products. Go lay down. Go lay down. Go. Do you hear his nails? Is it picking up the nail? Here he comes. I just can't. Selling digital products online allows you to earn a passive income, hands down. And if you know me, you know that I absolutely am obsessed with creating passive income streams online. I mean, who doesn't want to create money in their sleep? Who doesn't want to make money in their sleep? Selling digital products is the perfect way to do just that. And it has been an absolute game changer for me. And I know that it can be a game changer for you as well. Now, before I share with you the 5 digital products to sell online to make at least $100 a day, I wanted to tell you why selling digital products is so profitable. Number 1, digital products have absolutely no inventory or shipping costs, making them extremely cost effective. This is going to allow for a higher profit margin compared to physical products. And in addition, digital products can be created once and sold multiple times, which means they offer scalability. Number 2, they're easily accessible to customers worldwide. Anyone with an internet connection can purchase your digital products with just a few clicks. This means that your potential customer base is virtually unlimited. Number 3, low overhead costs. Unlike traditional businesses where you're selling physical products, selling digital products online requires minimal expenses. All you need is a computer and an internet connection to create and sell your products. So if you are excited about the idea of selling digital products online, let's dive into the 5 digital products that you can start selling online to make $100 a day. Oh, and real quick, if you're new here, hey, I'm 𝗲𝗲𝗀𝗃, and I have been selling digital products, like I said before, since 2008. That's a whole 16 years. So I think I know a thing or two about selling digital products and making a passive income stream online. And like I said, I absolutely love it. And let me tell you something. It has allowed me to create freedom, flexibility, and financial stability. And now I want to share with you my top 5 digital products that have allowed me to do that. They've allowed me to create the freedom and the flexibility and the financial stability for me and my family. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel, hit that notification button for more tips on building a successful online digital business. Oh, and if you want to see my crazy side, because I do have a little bit of a crazy side, and I like to have a lot of fun and do crazy, weird things, right? Just things that make me feel good. Or if you have any questions that you want to ask me and you want to kind of have a little conversation with me, then go ahead and connect with me on the gram and hit me up over there so we can have a conversation. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to be looking up and down at you and my laptop here because I have my laptop right here. So I'm going to be looking at you and I'm going to be looking at my notes because I want to make sure that I don't miss anything. So the first one that I wanted to talk about is online courses. When I created my very first online course, I actually had already built a following. So if you're going to be creating a course, you got to make sure that you have a nice size following. And I'm talking about on social media. And if you've been building your email list, because that's where the money is going to be. Because if you don't have a following and you're just getting started, I mean, unless you have, an ad budget to run ads, it's going to kind of be a little bit hard for you to make sales with your online business. I'm just being honest with you, okay? So number one is, if you're going to create online courses, then at least have, an audience to sell to. Otherwise, no one's going to buy, and it's going to be hard to make sales, especially if you are trying to make sales using organic strategies. I created my very first online course back in 2016. And in my very first year, I made almost $300,000 with just my course. Now, I had multiple income streams, but just my very first course alone, I had made almost $300,000 in a year. And that was with my very first course, but that was because I had a following and I had an email list of an audience of people to sell to. So if you don't have an audience of people to sell to, you need to get to work on that. Now, right in the description box, right below this video, I have a link for you to sign up for the waiting list of a new course that I have coming out called Social Subscribers. And that's where I'm going to teach you how to build your list and how to do various marketing strategies to actually generate leads and sales for your business. So make sure you click that link right below this video to get on that waiting list. All right, number 2, affiliate programs. Now, for me, my most profitable affiliate programs have been online tools. I'm talking about things like lead capture page creators and autoresponders and, all-in-one tool suites, and basically anything that's going to help an online, entrepreneur make their life easier with systems and tools. For me, that has been my bread and butter, okay, as far as the affiliate marketing category is concerned. I absolutely love selling tools that's going to make entrepreneurs' lives easier. So if you want a list of the tools that I actually make money from, they're going to be right down below in the resource section. I will list all of my affiliate programs, the tools that I actually personally use and that I make a residual passive income with. Number 3, downloadables. I'm talking about checklists and ebooks and worksheets, right? These are things that you can easily create with the help of tools like Canva. Canva allows you to actually create beautiful ebooks and checklists and whatever else your imagination can think of. No matter what niche you're in, if you are trying to build your business online, you can actually start tapping into Canva and create these beautiful downloadable PDF documents or whatever, and start selling them. Okay, so downloadables with Canva, those are really quick and easy to create. I actually use a tool that I want to recommend for you, and it's called Jasper. It's one of my favorite tools. I cannot live without it because Jasper actually, I think of Jasper kind of like my creative assistant. That's what we want to call him. He's my creative assistant because he is an AI tool that actually helps me create my content. Even the content that I'm creating in this video right now was with the help of this AI tool. Okay, so if you want to learn more about that, that tool is actually going to be down in the description box below. First of all, that tool is for content creators. Now, I'm a content creator. You're probably a content creator. So why not use a tool? I personally don't like to use ChatGPT because it wasn't created for content creators. So I like to use Jasper because that one was designed for content creators like you and I. So you can actually create these downloadable ebooks and checklists and worksheets and whatever else that you can think of with the help of AI. Number 4, network marketing. Now, I've been in network marketing for over 35 years, let's just say. And yes, I know I look a little young, but I will be 50. How old will I be this year? 54. I will be 54 in July. My birthday is July 4th, 1970. I will be 54 years old, and I started in network marketing when I was 19. I was invited to a home party, and I just got obsessed with living that lifestyle of freedom. And so I love network marketing. I'm in network marketing right now. I love it because it allows you to create leverage. You can't create leverage with affiliate programs. You can't create leverage with your online courses. You can't create leverage with downloadables like ebooks and checklists and worksheets and things like that. But you can create leverage in network marketing because when you build a team over there, you have other people also building their businesses, and that's where you can create the passive income stream. So I absolutely love network marketing. I know there's a lot of people who don't care for it, and it's really because they don't know how to build it correctly. And inside the network marketing space, there's a ton of different niches inside of network marketing, whether you are into, health and wellness, travel, credit repair. I mean, the list is literally unlimited to the amount of niches that are in network marketing. And so, network marketing is it's definitely one of my favorites because of the leverage, because you get to leverage other people's successes. Like, for example, in my company that I'm with right now, when one of my team members makes money, I make money. And we have something inside of our network marketing business called matching bonuses. And I love that because that's money that I created that I didn't have to do myself. And that is the power of leverage. And so that's really like the main reason why I absolutely love network marketing, and I will always be in network marketing. I'm never going to leave it because I love it so much. And finally, number 5 is done for you digital marketing systems, where all you have to do is sign up. You're up and running within 24 hours or less, and you can start generating leads and sales today. And if you want to learn more about that, I actually have right in the pinned comments right below this video, I have a video for you to watch to learn more about the digital marketing system that I use just last month alone. Now, of course, my main, thing that I promote is my online courses, right? And my programs, because it's my brand. So my affiliate programs, the network marketing company that I'm with and all that kind of stuff that, my name is not on that company, I'm just an affiliate of. Those are things that go back here, okay? Because I lead with me and my brand and my products, like I said, my courses, my downloadables and things like that, my membership sites and things like that. But affiliate programs, they go back here. Network marketing goes back here. Digital marketing system goes back here. Because like I said, I lead with me and my brand. And then on the back end, I promote affiliate programs and my network marketing business and the digital marketing system, right? And that's kind of how I've always been building my business online. So I lead with me and my things. And then on the back end, I have, like I said, the affiliate, the marketing system, and the network marketing companies. Why? Because I don't own them. I am not the CEO of these programs. I am not the creator of these businesses. That I am just an affiliate of these programs. These are programs that I actually promote because I love them and I believe in them, but they are not mine. They don't belong to Lisa Torres. And so therefore they need to go back here. Okay. So if you want to learn more about the digital marketing system, it's a done for you digital marketing system that allows you to earn up to $400 per person in commissions, plus build a passive residual income, then the link to that is going to be right in the pinned comments right below this video. So make sure you go and watch that video to learn more about that. I absolutely think you're going to love it. Just last month alone, I was able to earn on the side with this little digital marketing side hustle. I was able to earn over $1,300 in a month on the back end, right? Because remember, my stuff, like my courses and my little programs that I've created myself are on the front end, but on the back end, I was able to make over $1,300 by just creating a few pieces of content online, which we have all that training inside of our members area to show you exactly what to do step by step. So it is a training system / money-making system / you get to build your residual income while making up to $400 big commissions on the front end. So I love it. And I know you're going to love it too. So make sure that you check out the pinned comment in the comment section below and go check out that video. And if you have any questions, again, like I said, hit me up on Instagram, or you can leave your comments right below this video and I will be happy to answer your questions. And by the way, make sure that you check out this card right here, or is it here? No, I think it's here. Make sure you check out this card right here because this is where I dive a little bit deeper into that digital marketing system. Definitely check out the system below, but also watch that video here as well. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you on the next one. And as always, make sure that you subscribe and you hit that bell notification so you don't miss when I upload another video. I'll see you on the next one.